Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Beta, today we will do reverse counting in maths. Do you know what is reverse counting? Reverse counting क्या होती है? Reverse counting means कि एक बड़े नंबर से जब हम छोटे नंबर पे आते हैं, that is reverse counting. रिवर्स काउंटिंग में सबसे पहले बड़ा नंबर होता है, फिर उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा एंड सो ऑन. रिवर्स काउंटिंग को बेटा हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भी बोलते हैं. लेट मी शो यू सम एग्जांपल्स. कम विथ मी. डियर चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? यस, यू आर राइट. दिस इज अ कैटरपिलर. This caterpillar is having so many numbers on its body. Come, let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me what I did just now? मैम ने अभी क्या किया? I have done forward counting, जिसको आप सिंपल काउंटिंग कहते हो. सिंपल काउंटिंग आप ऐसे ही करते हो ना, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? But in reverse counting, we count from big number to small number. Like we will do it right now. Let's do it with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ये मैम ने क्या किया अभी? I did reverse counting. मैम ने रिवर्स में नंबर्स को काउंट किया. Let's do it once more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children, see, here is Chiku and here is Miku. Chiku is saying that he knows the simple counting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But he is very sad as he don't know how to do reverse counting. But his friend Miku is telling him that don't worry, I will teach you. Come with me. So let us see what the friends do. Both the friends decided to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See? Both are sitting here. Now, Miku will teach Chiku how to go down. Chiku asked Miku to sit here and watch carefully what he is going to do. So, let us see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Miku taught us how to do reverse counting. Now let us see. Chiku is able to do reverse counting or not. Chiku, come on. Let's do it for us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Wow! See, he's so happy after learning the reverse counting. Now, what we learnt from them? We learnt from them that counting from big number to the small number is reverse counting. बड़े नंबर से जब हमने छोटे नंबर को काउंट किया, that is reverse counting. Okay? Now, my dear children, let us do one activity. See, I have put all the blocks here. But for doing the reverse counting, 10 to 1, you have to help me. Will you help, ma'am? Yes. Wow, that's great. Okay, now tell me, which is the first number that I should pick? 10. Wow. Okay. Then 9. Okay, where is 9? Here is 9. 9. Here is 9. So, see, 10, 9. Now tell me, which is the next number? 8. Wow, that's good. 8. 10, 9, 8. Okay. Now next number 7. Where is 7? Yeah, it is here. 7. Okay. Now 6. 6 is here. Okay. 5. It's here. Now 4. Okay. 3. 2. Here is 2. 1. Wow, it is done. See? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, very good. Clapping for you all. My dear children, quickly write down date, day, and write down the heading of reverse counting 100 to 51. Now, beta, first of all, we will write down here 100. Okay? 100 is written here, so we will write down here 100. अब आप मुझे बताओ कि 100 से पहले क्या आता है, कौन सा नंबर आता है? 99. यस, 99, 99. Before 99, 98. Yes. Now 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Now you have to stop here. Now what comes before 91? 91 से पहले क्या आता है? 90, 90. Yes. Leave this box and write down here 90, 90. अब बेटे 90 से पहले क्या आता है? 89. Very good. 8, 9, 89. 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Now 81 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 80, 80. Very good. Leave this box beta and write down 80, 80. Now 79, 78, 77, 76. हमें एक एक नंबर पहला लिखना आपने, ठीक है? ऊपर बड़ा नंबर है, फिर छोटा 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 नंबर आता जाएगा. 75. नाउ बेटा, अब 75 से पहले क्या आएगा? 74. यस, राइट डाउन 74, 73, 72, 71. अब बेटा 71 से पहले क्या आएगा? 70, 70. यस, राइट डाउन 70, 70. अब 70 से पहले 69. यस, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Leave this box now. अब 61 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 60, वेरी गुड. राइट डाउन 60. अब 60 से पहले 59, 59. राइट डाउन 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. See, this number is here. आपको हमेशा याद रखना है, जब आपको हेडिंग में हम लिखते हैं रिवर्स काउंटिंग, जैसे आज लिखा है 100 to 51, then you have to start the reverse counting from here. अगर 100 लिखा है तो आपको 100 से स्टार्ट करना है. ओके और रिवर्स काउंटिंग में बेटा पहले बड़ा नंबर, फिर उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो डू रिवर्स काउंटिंग in your notebooks, okay, and don't forget that you are to write proper formation. Thank you beta, bye bye.